As you guys know, this RV's been kind of sitting on the side of the shop for a long time. And you know, it's summertime. You need a running RV. You just need a running one. So we got my brother over here. So what happened is, this is my brother Ronnie.
How you guys doing?
And
Redneck Man 454 here.
He has his own YouTube channel. He just hit 10,000 subscribers.
That's right.
And you haven't uploaded a video in like 4 years.
Nope, but I have a backlog about ready to come in. Now let me tell you something about this thing.
Oh, here we go. All right.
So some people have a dream, but I have an American dream.
So this is a 98 American Dream. It's how many feet?
40 footer.
40 foot. It's got the 8.3 Cummins, basically same as my other one, but it's newer because it's a 98. Class A. It does have one slide on it. And he just found this on Craigslist, so it's been for sale for how long?
Probably like a month or two.
And he was asking how many?
45.
And just way too much. Way too much. You don't have to tell him how much you got it for, but a hell of a deal. A hell of a deal compared to that. So anyhow, the guy, I guess he finally decided he needed to sell it. So you can see the slide right here. It's got all kinds of storage. I haven't even walked around the back of it yet. I'm so excited for this. So essentially what happened was, when I got my RV, you were jealous.
A little bit.
And so I've had mine for like 2 years, and you basically been bitching at me, telling me to fix it, go camping and all this other stuff. Well, you've been in the search for one for a while. Anyhow, he just got back from a trip. He flew up to Washington. He went and looked at a 1995, what was that one called?
It was a Holiday Rambler, a Navigator.
Yeah. And so he went and looked at that. The guy was kind of being a dick.
Yep.
Didn't want to come down on the price. It had like the vinyl and everything on it. It wasn't clean, didn't look that good. The inside was nice, ran good, but just didn't want to budge on the price. And that was actually more than you got this one for.
Yep.
And then flew down to Dallas, went and looked at another one of those, which was like 20, and it was a piece of shit.
Yep.
So he flew back, what was it, 3 days ago? You got back 3 or 4, no, you've been back for about a week.
It was 4 days ago.
And so now you got this. Let's look at this Cummins.
Let me look at the key.
Oh, you gotta open it. I'm gonna have one, well actually I do have one of these, but. Got ABS. It's got all the storage on the side. Assuming this isn't storage right here. All these are locked, huh?
Yeah, so we'll put it over here.
Look at that. Speakers.
Yep, that's for hanging out when you're barbecuing.
Probably a little stuck over here, maybe. Hold on, do it again. Pull it harder. Okay. There's this thing right here is a little bit. Yeah, look at that. Look at that frame.
Yeah, it's a Spartan Chassis.
That's a big dog. It's got a slider right there. You can pull your other spare tire out. These things go all the way through, too. So this goes all the way through to the other side. Imagine how many JZs we could haul back from Texas in this.
I don't know if the floor can handle it, though.
Probably none.
That tire right there looks like it needs to be on the way. It might.
That's pretty cool, though. All right, let's check out that engine. And the vinyl and everything on here, like it's shiny. I mean, obviously probably needs like a decent wash, but. Can we climb on the roof?
Yeah, we can. It's not bad.
That's the same one that mine has.
Yeah, it has a little bit of a grip here, but...
Yeah, I need this oil pan. these things are called diesel pushers, obviously, because it's a diesel in the back and it pushes. There's a lot less drivetrain loss. And it has, you know, basically intake air vents and stuff going right here. Basically, there's a big like a hydrostatic fan on the side that draws in air. So those are probably tranny coolers, intercooler, and then a big ass radiator. Let's take it for a rip. Actually, you should probably do a tour of the inside. I'm really stoked about this thing. I'm stoked for my brother, but I'm also stoked for myself because I'm probably going to, we might work out something to where I could borrow it. All right, so yeah, check this out. This is the driver's compartment. Got I believe it's a 6-speed Allison in it. It's got the automatic leveling. Doesn't have a boost gauge, but has all your air pressures, 68,000 miles. Power windows, Sony stereo. This thing, the TV actually like goes up. You can see you got the backup camera right there. CD player, big old captain's chairs. And this slider, it actually moves out. So about right here is where you have the whole kitchen and everything moves over. So it's a lot of space. Corian countertops, tile floor. This one turns into a bed. There's storage underneath. Storage everywhere. 2 AC units. I think 2 AC units. One in the front, one in the back. You got the fans right here. Got this basically freezer as well as a fridge on here. It's got in here little latches kind of holding everything down. Came with a vacuum, ironing board, closet. I mean, it's crazy the stuff that these things have. You can see right here it has a shower, full-size shower with a little seat on it. And then this is the toilet. Comes with a little hose. You could hose your things. Where are we going? Ooh, that feels weird moving in this thing standing. And then in the back, you obviously got your, I think it's like a full-size bed. All your storage, all the drawers, you gotta like pick them up. Little bitty old school TV. Everything in here has like a latch on it, which obviously makes sense. Yeah, pretty cool. I'm jealous. So, and I don't know if I showed you guys in the back, it actually has a like a receiver hitch on it with you know, trailer brake controller, all that stuff. So I think probably obviously not like all of the out-of-state events or anything like that, but maybe I think it would be really cool to do like a trip in this thing, you know, with my brother or without my brother, and just, you know, maybe me and Jamie and the baby, and do a little drift event. Hook up the enclosed trailer, haul out in this thing. It'd be nice because, you know, during the day the baby could stay in here with the AC. But I'm jealous, Ronnie. I need to get me one of these. Are we going?
I'm just pulling forward.
He needs to get some fuel so he can turn on the AC. Wow. So my brother's letting me drive it. I haven't even went for a ride in it. How sketchy is it riding in this thing in the back? It's weird. And it's, look, they even got like a camera holder right here for vlogging. Something that's just smooth. Like you're like just floating on a cloud down the interstate. Even though we're not on the interstate yet, we're just getting on the highway. I was kind of Pac-Man in the, I wasn't Pac-Man in the lines down the center, I was Pac-Man in the ones on the right. I mean, honestly, for as big as this thing is, it like doesn't move bad.
No,
I bet you could probably hook a trailer back there.
And hit economy up there on that that panel, and that'll give it another gear.
What are we in right now?
Just normal. Just hit econ.
Right.
And that's for on the interstate.
So we're under 60 right now.
What do you think?
It's not bad.
Is this the biggest thing you ever drove?
Yeah. That's Like driving big shit's kind of cool. Vlogging and driving a house. I don't know, this thing, like, it actually moves pretty good. Like, Ronnie was saying that this thing will get, how many miles a gallon towing?
Towing 8. It doesn't matter how heavy you're going, in the wind, up a hill, down a hill, it doesn't matter. Just regular driving, 10 to 12 with nothing on, not loaded down.
Big Dirty was getting like 8 the last time we towed the enclosed down to Texas, like when it had a headwind. So I mean, if you think that you essentially could take your whole house, like, and your girlfriend, your baby, your friends, all that stuff, a washer, a dryer. Oh, I didn't show them the washer and dryer.
All those things.
Well, like you can in this. What do you think?
It's not bad.
Can you stand up in here?
No.
And the other thing I didn't show you guys is this right here. So this is a washer dryer combo. So I mean, how convenient is that? You can't wash like a whole load of towels, like you could wash a couple, couple outfits probably. Cool. It's cool. Alright, so we put some fuel in it, so now the AC in here is working. Generator's running out front. Just do a little comparison. Yeah, this is a hell of a rig. I'm stoked for my brother. As long as he lets me borrow it. Yeah, see, it has this receiver hitch in the back. I think mine might be a 37 or 38, and his is a 40. Yeah, mine's probably 30, 37. Feels like we're at on a school field trip or something. Yeah, there's only one person. Alright, so we decided we wanted to go eat and take the bus and the gang with us. So that's what we're doing. I'm the bus driver now, I guess. I used to give my bus driver a bunch of shit when I was in like middle school. So now Dave's in the back pestering me.
When you get a bus and then you just see buses everywhere.
Bus life. Bus life.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, that's better?
When in Rome. And we go rev it. So you can see it's got an pack brake, exhaust brake on it. I think this one's mechanical, just like mine. Yeah, muffler's elite. Holy crap, that thing's huge.
Yep. Straight pipe it, let people know the Cummins is coming.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, this is like a bed warmer.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what that is, like an inverter?
Something.
It's probably an inverter.
What's in this?
Oh, it's a breaker panel.
Decent sized little bedroom. I like the TV.
It has a separate AC.
No, decent sized little bedroom. This is at night and in here. All the lights. I don't know, I mean, a lot of you guys who probably don't care about this probably aren't watching right now, but the guys who do care about this, I'm just stoked. I mean, you're pretty stoked too.
Oh, yeah.
So, I mean, I feel like a kid in a candy store just finding out all the cool little things that it has. And it's not even mine. It's not even mine. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And I think it's cool too. It has this thing, little deal, and then right here it has, so you just sit in a Barca lounger. You can just sit here and chill. Where's the other one? Is it this?
Yep.
Yep, you can just sit here in open road.
Baking soda.
Oh, if we showed him the TV,
Not how it comes up.
give him the tour.
I like how the thing folds up.
Mm-hmm.
That'd be cool to do that at like a safe. Put a safe under there in a flat screen so that it goes up and down and then you can't see it. Yeah, that thing needs to go though. I don't know what you can do to make it more modern.
The TV?
Other than have one that like folds down from the ceiling. Alright guys, so that was my brother's RV. I'm pretty stoked for him. I'm stoked for us, I guess, to be able to maybe use it a little bit. I don't know. I don't think, you know, obviously it's my brother's. I'm not gonna like just take it all over the country. We kind of talked about maybe me finishing mine, selling it, and then me putting money towards that, so that we essentially both don't have an RV. I don't know how that'd be if we did like trips together. You know, then it'd be like, all right, well, who's gonna sleep on the floor? Who's gonna sleep in the bedroom? You know, or you know, on the couches out in the outside. Maybe I'll just get mine done and go. But I definitely would like to at least try, you know, towing with it. Go to an event and see how that is. The next Drift Colorado event is in June 8th and 9th, which is a 2-day event. I'm pretty sure it's 8th and 9th. So Saturday, I think Saturday, Sunday. And it's overnight camping, so might do that. Bring the Jamie and the baby. That might be pretty cool. Maybe not. The 6.7 Power Stroke is at the frame shop. He's been kind of nitpicking it here and doing little things in there. He's busy with some other things, but I basically went there yesterday and helped him install the hood and stuff on it. And he basically pulled out the whole front of it, and I don't think I'm actually gonna have to weld on that other piece. So we'll. Should know back, you know, within like a day or so how that thing's doing. But again, I was just pretty stoked about my brother's RV, and you know, like I said, hopefully it'll give me a little bit of motivation to kind of finish mine. But as of right now, Supra is kind of you know, top priority. So been picking away at that and dealing with this disgusting mess of a rat infested parts car. But anyhow, appreciate you guys watching. And catch you guys in like a day and a half.